In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add a lightbox in Webflow. To get started, open your Webflow project and go to the page where you want the lightbox to appear. This could be inside a section, a container, or any area where you want visitors to click and open media in an overlay. Once you are on the page, open the Add panel. A quick shortcut for this is pressing A on your keyboard, which can save you a little time while building. In the Add panel, scroll down until you reach the Advanced section. Inside that section, you will find the Lightbox component. Click it. Then drag and drop it onto your page wherever you want it to live. Try to place it in a spot that makes sense visually, especially if it's part of a gallery, portfolio, or featured content area. After the Lightbox is on the page, select the Lightbox link. You can do this either directly on the canvas or from the navigator if you want a more precise way to target the element. With the Lightbox selected, move over to the Element Settings panel on the right side. In the Lightbox link settings, look for the Media section and click the plus icon to add content. From here, you can choose the type of media you want to display. Set the type to either image or video, depending on what you are showcasing. If you are using an image, upload the file and select it from your assets. If you are using a video, paste in a shareable YouTube or Vimeo link in the appropriate field. You can also add a caption here, which is helpful if you want to give viewers a little more context. Next, go into the image settings if you want to use a custom thumbnail. This is a great option because your thumbnail can be a smaller or more stylized version of the main media. It helps your design look cleaner and can also improve page load speed, especially if your full-size media is large. Once that's in place, open the Style panel to refine the look of the thumbnail. You can adjust the dimensions, add rounded corners, and create hover effects so everything feels polished and consistent with the rest of your site. These small visual details can make the Lightbox feel much more intentional and professional. When everything is set, click Preview to test it. Make sure the thumbnail displays correctly and that the image or video opens the way you expect. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.